Here I am again welcoming you, my dear class 10 students, in my guidance class and e-learning classes in the physics subject in one of the very important topic, ray diagram. Thus, before this class, in the previous 2 or 3 videos, we have discussed and studied about the image formations of ray diagram in a concave mirror, and we also studied the characteristics and applications. Now, the second type of mirror is convex mirror. So, now here in this video, we are going to learn about the image formation in convex mirror. The very first, we will study about the types of reflected rays. Types of reflected rays in a convex mirror. Now this is convex mirror. P, here is C and here is F. Then first ray, which is parallel to the principal axis. Now please look at that. It gets diverged, but appears to come from a point on the principal axis, that is known as virtual focus, which I have already explained in the beginning when I have studied the terminology related to terms में पढ़ाया था, याद है? The first type of reflected rays, that when rays is parallel, get diverged, but it appears to come from a point, that is the virtual focus. The second type, here is P, then C and F. If any rays which falls in the direction of center of curvature, it gets reflected back in the same path. Okay, it gets reflected back in the same path. This is the type 1 and this is the type 2. Okay. So there are only 2 conditions in a convex mirror. Condition 1, when the object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity. इसमें क्या करोगे बच्चों? Please look at the board carefully. Draw a principal axis and the reverse direction again from 50 to 130. You draw a convex mirror. P, this one is C, here P, and take midpoint of PC, that is focus. Okay. Now, take one ray above the principal axis and parallel to it. What happened? It appears to pass through from focus. तब क्या करोगे बच्चों? Point of incidence को just join with his focus, and here let the rays get reflected in a diverging direction and join it with the focus with the dotted line. Okay. Again below, you take parallel incident rays to the principal axis join it with the focus. Here you draw the dotted line and get diverge in the same path. Okay. Now characteristics. Of image. कहाँ बना ये इमेज हमारा कहाँ बना बच्चों? At virtual focus. दूसरा very small point size. Third, why? Because the reflected rays do not intersect actually, but they appear to meet. इसका ये रीजन है। समझ गए बच्चों? जैसे 6 कंडीशन में हमने देखा था concave mirror में, both reflected rays do not meet, but they appear to. Very good. क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? Virtual and erect. Now the last condition, दो ही कंडीशन, ये कंडीशन तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बच्चों, याद रखिएगा। मैं यहाँ स्टार लगा दे रहा हूँ। Object is between infinity and mirror, between infinity and mirror, कहीं भी हो, ठीक है? Now draw the basic diagram. Take a compass and draw it from 130 to 50. This one is P, this one is your C. Take the midpoint of P and C, that will be the focus. Now please look at the board. Board पर ध्यान से देखो. Here, you have to take an object anywhere on the front side of the mirror, on the front side of the mirror of any size. सबसे मान लीजिए एकदम बड़ा सा कोई ऑब्जेक्ट ले लेते हैं, A and B. One ray always you have to take parallel to the principal axis. What happened? It diverges and appears to come from a point on the principal axis. तो इस देखो ये इस डायरेक्शन में फॉल होगा और इधर से हमारा डाइवर्ज होगा, लेकिन कहां से आता हुआ प्रतीत होगा? फोकस. ठीक है? Now here, second ray you will take through center of curvature. आप देखिएगा बच्चों, इसी डायरेक्शन में हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा, बट बोथ रे अपीयर्स टू मीट एट ए पॉइंट. यहाँ ए लिखोगे और यहाँ से क्या करोगे बच्चों? एक परपेंडिकुलर इसको ड्रॉ करोगे और ए यहाँ एरो बना दो, ये हो जाएगा हमारा बी डैश. अब ध्यान से देखो प्लीज, क्या करो? कैरेक्टर स्टिक्स ऑफ the image. Condition 1. क्या बना? Behind the mirror, between pole and virtual focus. Always you will find that wherever you will take object in the front side of mirror, the image is always formed between pole and virtual focus behind the mirror. कहीं भी लोगे आप वहीं बनेगा. कहाँ पर बनेगा? Between pole and virtual focus. क्या इसको क्या लिखेंगे बच्चों? Behind mirror between pole and virtual focus. Second point, कैसा बना? Smaller, diminished size, smaller than object, smaller than object. Third, कैसा बना? Virtual and erect. इसका एक एप्लीकेशन है या यूज है जो हम अपने डेली लाइफ में डेली करते हैं. कहाँ करते हैं? इन्हें सेविंग रूम में लगाता है. इन्हें शेविंग मिरर, या आप बच्चे नहीं, ये शेविंग मिरर नहीं होता है, सॉरी, ये आपको आप उसमें लिख लोगे. देखो मैं भूल गया. शेविंग मिरर में जब होता है कंडीशन 4 में, when the object was between center of curvature and focus, इमेज क्या बना था? बड़ा बना था ना. आप लोग ब्यूटी पार्लर में जाते हो ना, तो वहां देखते हो कॉन्केव मिरर लगा रहता है, और वेरी फाइन में जब आप लिपस्टिक वगैरह लगाते हो या इधर क्या करते हो, कुछ लगाते हो ना, आपसे बहुत ही महीन रहता है कि लाइन इधर उधर नहीं हो जाए. यू यूज दैट कॉन्केव मिरर एंड कीप योर फेस बिटवीन फोकस एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. डेंटिस्ट भी उसको यूज करते हैं, ठीक है ना. अब यहाँ पर इसको मैं बोला डेली यूज करते हैं. आपने देखा होगा किसी भी गाड़ी पर आप बैठते हो, मोटरसाइकिल या कार पर, एक आपका रियर व्यू मिरर होता है ना. तो रियर व्यू मिरर कैसा होता है? कॉन्वेक्स मिरर होता है. उस रियर व्यू मिरर में आप कोई भी कितना भी बड़ा आपके गाड़ी के पीछे अगर ट्रक आ रहा है या ट्रेन आ रहा है या बस आ रहा है, सबका इमेज बनता है कि नहीं? हाँ, इसका यूज क्या होता है? एज ए रियर व्यू मिरर इन व्हीकल. एक क्वेश्चन आता है बच्चों, बस एक मिनट रहेगा मुझे डिस्कस करने में. Which type of mirror is used as a rear view mirror in motor vehicle and why? पहला आंसर आपको समझ आ गया? Which type of mirror? Convex mirror. Why? Because it is the nature of a convex mirror that whenever the object is beyond or object is between mirror and infinity, the formed image is always smaller than object and virtual and erect. By combining these 2 points, you can prepare your answer, and that is why in motor vehicle we use always a convex mirror to see any body or any vehicle which is coming behind from our mirror very clearly. वो सीधा नजर आएगा. और अब चाहे जितना भी बड़ा वो ऑब्जेक्ट हो, हमारा छोटा सा मोटरसाइकिल हो, उसके पीछे एक लंबी बस हो, बस लंबी बस का भी इमेज उसमें आसानी से बन जाता है. Why? Because it is the characteristics of convex mirror that any object between mirror and infinity, the image is always formed. जोर से बोलो. And so driver can take correct decision. Okay. So my dear students, here I am concluding my physics class. I have completed the ray diagram in concave mirror 6 condition and in convex mirror 2 condition. This second condition is very important. Please practice it 3 to 4 times in coming 3 and 4 days. And in the next physics class, that is equally or more important than ray diagram, I will teach you the basic tricks and concept of numericals. I will also try to guide you to solve numericals because it is very important. Numericals एक आता है बच्चों, और आपको एक बार बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में जरूर आएगा. Numericals related to concave mirror and convex mirror, and also I will teach you the nature of sine. Okay. Till then, all the best. God bless you.